Hello again. In the last video refactoring, we have extended the list of attributes with these player objects. But temporarily we have made it a much worse situation because now the source of truth, there is a duplication, and duplication is very often wrong. Not always, but very often is wrong. So what I would like to have is that now the advantage result relies on player 2, player 1, player 2. But win result still needs points 1, points 2, and as long as it needs points 1, points 2, and all the others as well, that long we need to have those smaller things being passed to arbiter. So let's go to, so we're now on green. Let's go to win result and let's expect player 1, player 2. Again, I'm duplicating, so for now I'm not trying to immediately break it. Let's see if this is working. So player 1, player 2. Okay, the test should still pass. Now that I have both of them, I can just use player 1 name and player 2 name. Okay, the tests are passing, so now I can use player 1 points and player 2 points, and if this is passing I can remove this. It should still be passing, right? So after every little change, I'm running the test, and this is now a breaking change, so this will not work. But if I go here and remove it from here, this is now green. So that's it for this refactoring. So I have relied on the fact that we can now pass player 1, player 2 objects. So this is a small improvement. That's a good moment for example, committing the changes and even pushing them to production. We know the tests are passing. So that's it for now.